Hello everybody, Epic Mewtwo here. Today we have another fact and speculation video all wrapped into one. Today we are going to be talking about if there are multiple Mewtwo's in the Pokemon games and the Pokemon anime. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with the games, we all know that the original Mewtwo was encountered by Red in Red, Blue, Yellow, Green, Fire Red, and Leaf Green, and its origins are pretty well stated in the Pokemon Mansion on Cinnabar Island in the original games. It gives you a bit of a story behind it, its creation and such, and of course we know that that is the original Mewtwo that was known in the games that you encounter and catch or defeat or lose to. Now, this brings up a question pertaining to Pokemon Gold, Silver, Heart Gold, and Soul Silver. Once Ethan or Gold is done going through the Johto region, they go to the Kanto region and they encounter Mewtwo at the end of the game. Now, Red is obviously in those games as the final boss, so that leads us to believe that this is a different Mewtwo, because if Red would have caught it, it definitely wouldn't be there unless he released it. So this leaves me to believe that Red battled it, defeated it, or lost to it, I suppose, but I'm pretty sure he would have defeated it, and then he didn't catch it, and then Ethan or Gold is left to catch it. So this timeline would have Red doing that. And then Pokemon X and Y, we don't have a definite answer to that Mewtwo if that's a different one. Since that Mewtwo is kind of unknown, you just find it in the cave at the end of the game, and not much is known about it. It's not explicitly said if that Mewtwo came from Kanto to Kalos, so we don't know. And then pertaining to the anime, we do have a definite answer of multiple Mewtwo's. The original Mewtwo is from Pokemon Mewtwo vs. Mew, and Pokemon Mewtwo Returns, of course, that being the Mewtwo that travels with the clones and the Ash meets in the beginning and all that kind of stuff. And that one has, the deep male voice. And then in the Genesect movie, we get a different Mewtwo, which actually has a female voice actor this time. So obviously that's one clue that it's a different Mewtwo. And it's shown in brief clips throughout the movie, its origins. It is extremely similar to the original Mewtwo story, of course, because they're basing it off of it. But if you watch closely, you'll notice that it is definitely not the same Mewtwo. And of course, this Mewtwo did not interact with Amber when it was growing in the test tube, the girl that the original Mewtwo interacted with. And then, of course, we have the Mewtwo from Pokemon Origins that Red battles. This one does not have a voice. And from obviously what we know, the Pokemon Origins universe and the universe that Ash and friends are in are not connected in the same. So that would lead me to believe that there is two Mewtwo's in Ash's universe and one Mewtwo in the Pokemon Origins Red universe. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about the Pokemon games, if you think that it's the same Mewtwo that Red encountered or a different one, or what kind of ideas you have brewing up in your smart heads. And yeah, as always, have a great day. Epic Mewtwo out. Peace.